Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just filming a little like nighttime routine. It's like a weird storm outside with like ice and rain and I don't know, it's really weird. It looks like snow but it's not snow. So we're kind of stranded here at the apartment for a couple of days, so I thought I would film just like a nighttime routine. I'm about to light this candle. This one smells so good. It is just the lavender one from the Miss Myers. I really like having this one in my kitchen. It just makes the entire kitchen smell super fresh. And I'm getting started on dinner right now. I'm making broccoli and cheese soup, and I'm so excited about it because it is 15 degrees outside right now and I am freezing and I just really want soup, and I think I'm gonna make some type of like rolls or something to go with it. But yeah, that's all we're doing, and I know we're gonna bake some cookies later, and The Bachelor comes on tonight, so it's gonna be great. And luckily we were able to get to the grocery store yesterday and stock up on a couple of things, because I don't know how we would have got there if we would have tried to go today, so thank God. I'm just about to do a workout. I'm taking my hair out of the clip and then I'm just gonna pull it up with a scrunchie, just because when I do like sit-ups and stuff and I'm laying back, I don't want this hard clip going through my head. So me and Bo decided we're gonna make some cookies right now, and they are toffee chocolate chip sea salt. I think that's what they are, right? What are they called?
Chocolate chip toffee cookies.
Chocolate chip toffee cookies. So they're gonna be really good. We love making these. They are phenomenal. I think it's gotta be like my favorite cookies we've ever made. We just got done getting everything ready for the cookies, so we're just gonna let the dough set for a bit, but we're about to eat dinner. And I made homemade broccoli and cheese soup. It's gonna be really good. And then I have little crescent rolls in the oven. I've been in my Pottery Barn slippers all day long. I don't want to take them off. They're so comfortable, the best. I have the matching robe and I swear I live in it. And guys, look how pretty these flowers are. Bo got me roses for Valentine's Day and they're so cute. So I got dinner all ready. I'm so excited to eat this. It looks great. And we're about to watch The Bachelor, I think. So we're gonna go and eat dinner. And also it is now snowing, like actually snowing, and it is ice cold. So Guys, these cookies came out so good. And then we have some oat milk as well to go with it, of course, but they are warm and gooey, and we're about to eat these. Oh, so perfect. Okay, so I am all out of the shower, and now I'm just gonna go ahead and wash my face. I always use this face wash. It's just very simple, nothing like crazy. I have very sensitive skin, and a lot of things irritate it, so I'm just gonna use this and wash my face. And I love using my Clarisonic, but since my skin is so dry and I've exfoliated so much this week, I was just gonna go ahead and do just a simple like cleanser, especially since I haven't really been wearing much makeup or anything since I've been stuck at home. Some lotion, also a very simple lotion. And then we're just gonna put on a little bit of under eye cream. This one's the best ever, it's from Fresh. And then I love just rubbing it in with my fingers a little bit. And then taking my little roller and rolling it in. I feel like this really helps the product to really get into your skin. I love using this. This is a really great toner and it smells like roses, so it smells amazing. The best ever, the Laneige sleeping mask. It is so nice and hydrating. I use this so much. I swear by it. I keep a little tiny one by my bed at night because sometimes I'll wake up and put some more on. But this one's just the regular and it smells so good. But I also have the mint one and that one is amazing as well. And I think I want to do a face mask. My skin has just been so dry since this weather, so I just have one from Sephora. It's the Aloe Vera face mask. I love their sheet mask. They work so great and they really hydrate your skin, so I'm gonna pop this on real quick. I always look so scary with these on. But let's be real, does anyone actually look good in them? I'm just gonna let this sit on for about 10 to 15 minutes while I go and straighten up a couple things. So it's been about 15 minutes, so I'm gonna take this off. My skin feels amazing. Wow. This is literally just what my skin needed. And I also decided to pour myself a glass of wine, because why not? I'm gonna go ahead and end the video off here. I'm catching up on some YouTube real quick. I'm just watching Emma McDonald's latest vlog. I love her videos so much and I'm getting kind of tired, so I just wanted to say thank you guys so much for watching my video today, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget to stay stellar. Alright, bye guys.
I was up late night balling, counting up hundreds by the thousand.